In this video, you will learn how to optimize an automated trading strategy based on Bitcoin dominance. Starting in May, the Bitcoin dominance has been developing a massive triangle that could signal a major reversal. A reversal would mean that Bitcoin will outperform the rest of the market. The pattern seems invalidated by the breakout on the downside, which occurred at the beginning of August. The index is now moving sideways, meaning that there is uncertainty about where it's moving next. Should the index be lower, altcoins will outperform Bitcoin, and buying them using BTC will allow accumulating more Bitcoin without committing additional capital. An interesting rule to take advantage of such market conditions would be buying the best performing coin in your wallet. Use the do not operator to avoid buying the same coin twice. This is important as you want the rule to give you a diversity of assets in your portfolio. Each trade comes with a stop loss and a take profit to better manage the risk. Once you click on launch, you'll get a summary which will show you the data to copy and paste to set up the alert on TradingView. For example, if BTC dominance is lower than the line we drew on the chart, TradingView will send Coinrule a signal to trigger the rule. You can set it once per candle, meaning that it will be a maximum of one signal every 4 hours. As we selected a chart on the 4-hour time frame, you can adjust these settings according to your preferences. Just make sure that the webhook URL is correct, and then copy and paste the message. Now the alert is set up, you can launch the rule on Coinrule. Trade safely.